Guys, today is the day that we are leaving. We're about to drive 10 hours to Berlin. End of van build, actually, which is crazy.
23 episodes ago, this was just an empty van and a big idea. Now, after months of building, problem solving, late nights and more sawdust than we'd like to admit, we made it. It's not 100% finished, there are still little details left undone, but the departure date didn't move, so neither did we. In this episode, we finished the final things we can, pack up in a bit of a rush, and finally hit the road. Europe, we are on our way.
Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. It is the last day of van build, actually, or at least for this time, because on Monday next week we are leaving. So this van is gonna have a total makeover this week. I have to do the sitting area, I have to install the water, like drill into the tanks and attach the hoses. I need to make this sliding door, I need to make the back door. I think I'm gonna cover them in fabric, is my new plan. First plywood and then fabric, so it's a lot of work also. I'm gonna make like a mirror here in the sliding door. I am gonna make all of the edges look nice. I need to paint in the back. Yeah, there's a lot to do. We need to move in. I need to put in the bed. But I think everything will go okay. As you can see, I actually already have my table set. My brother helped me do this. He put it up and it's like a sliding out to make it sturdy. And I think it looks and works really nice. Like it's straight. You can fit a lot of things. It looks amazing. I am also working on the first sitting cube, which is also the toilet. This one is stuck. Now I need to fit the toilet in there, build it up. I was doing that last week, but then I needed to redo stuff. So I have like a quick solution to do it. And then this is gonna go on top, and then there's gonna be like a lid, so you can use the toilet. And here is gonna be another sitting cube with storage. I don't know if you can see, but this is like an IKEA cabinet. So I'm gonna drill it into the ground. I'm gonna put, how do you say, shelves. I'm gonna build it in nicely. I am gonna start with sanding here in the back. I have just a few areas up there, and a little bit over there. Then I can paint one layer of primer, and then I'm gonna paint it all in red. No, yellow. Good morning guys and welcome to a new day. It is already 2 in the afternoon, but I have been working. It's just that I haven't been filming. So I have been painting one more layer in the back. I have put filling on the sitting area. About the sitting area, so the last time you saw me was that I tried to put the thick, these ones, that I put these under the bench. I did one and then I started with the other one, and both of them are like super crooked. You can see they are not straight. And I tried, and the first one went okay, and then I tried to put this on the other side, but it was so crooked and I couldn't do anything to make it straight. So I was like, fuck it. I removed them and I replaced them with the normal plywood that I have been working with, the 4mm plywood. I finished that yesterday, putting everything in, putting the toilet in and everything, and it works perfect. And we also put the top on over the toilet. My brother came to help me. He also came to help me to put up the second folding thing. So, as you can see, I am kind of finished with the seating area. So I am totally finished now to go to the registration. Or maybe I need to install the water. I think that I need to do. But otherwise, I am finished for the registration, which is so nice. Like, some weight has definitely disappeared from my shoulders. So now I only have like small things to fix left. Today, I was thinking to do the side door, because I have not done anything with the side door yet. So I want to cover it in wood, and then I actually think we're gonna put a fabric on both the side door and the back doors. I think that will look very pretty. So first I need to cover it, and I am gonna have like a cutout mirror, or not a cutout, but like it's gonna go inside a little bit, and then we're gonna put a mirror. So first I need to do that, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of the pieces to fit them together. I will show you when I'm done. This is gonna be a mirror. It's on IKEA. You can buy rectangles with mirrors, and they are 30 times 30, so there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Now then I need to cut out the rest of the pieces for the door, and it's quite hard. I also realized like I put some things in front of it, so I don't know how I'm gonna fasten all of the pieces, because yeah, I have the kitchen in the way and also this little sitting area in the way now, so this will be interesting for sure. Welcome to the ugliest part of the van. As you can see, it's very not pretty, and I need to make something. The plan is to put this here. It's gonna be a little bit low, maybe. Maybe we should try to put it as high as we can. Because I also need to measure how high up I will cut the first piece. I was thinking 1 meter. If I take it 1 meter, it will be there. I think that will be quite good, because it definitely fits. I'm listening to Wovet because I'm going to their concert in the end of August, so we're gonna go down in the van, then I'm gonna fly back to Stockholm to go to this concert. It's their like saying goodbye, splitting up concert, so I think it's worth going. But I have been working on this door for a long time, and there is some trouble as always. Right now, just before I stopped, one of the drills that I had broke in half. So I need to go and buy a new one, and I also need to cook for the family. So I am gonna cook, then I'm gonna go buy new ones, and then I'm gonna continue after dinner. I thought this would be easier, but it's taking a lot of time. Hello guys! Wow, it's so cold. It is now 10 in the night, and I have been working with the door all afternoon and all evening. It is finished. Maybe I can insert a photo here. I put all of the pieces there, but I need to make some adjustments. So that will be the mission for tomorrow morning, and hopefully at maybe lunch it will be ready. Still a lot to do until we leave, but I'm very happy about the door. Ooh, it turned out really good, and now I am freezing. I need to pee, so good night and see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, and welcome to a new day. It is quite early in the morning. Maybe you can see that I'm tired. I almost dropped my phone. It's 7:30 in the morning, and the van is back. It is Thursday. Yesterday the van was at the mechanic because we needed to fix the brakes, like the pipes for the brakes. So it was at the mechanic the whole day yesterday, so I took the chance to go to IKEA and buy all the rest, I think, of the stuff that we needed from IKEA. I bought a lot of shelves, I bought a lot of storage, I bought fabric to put here, like all of the things that we need. So that was very, very nice. But now the van is back, and it's time to finish like the rest of the small things that I need to make before we leave. And I made a list today because I don't want to forget anything. So the list is quite long. Some things are really small to make, some are big, some I don't even know how to make, but most of them I know how to make, and they are easy to fix. One is to paint this backside. So I'm gonna start with painting the final round here in the back. Then I think I am gonna start painting the sitting cubes. It's a few hours later. What have I done today? Well, I painted, I filled in over there, I made the sliding door, and I put Tech 7 all over it. After that, I don't remember what I did, but I was thinking a lot about the things around the windows, but I haven't managed to understand what to do. Right now I am fastening the water tank, because today we're gonna install it. So I need to fasten it with 2 bands, And this is so annoying because I need to crawl under this one and it's super tight, and I will show you how tight it actually is. Okay, done. Hello and welcome to a new day. We're sitting outside of the car inspection. Woo! This morning we had one car inspection for just finalizing an old one, and it went through. And now we're at another place having the re-registration of the van.
To make it like a camper van.
Yes, so when we leave from here, hopefully we have a camper van and not a truck anymore. So that is what's going on. We also went to the electricity guy and he checked the electricity, he checked the water, and he said everything looks very good. So now we feel ready to go away.
Hit the road.
To hit the road.
And
because
then come back.
yesterday we were trying to do something with the water and it didn't work. And then today in the morning I saw that the charger was not charging and I was like having a mental breakdown.
Yeah.
But everything is fine apparently, and yes, we're ready to go if this goes through. Keep your fingers crossed for us, please. We made it! We made it! Hello guys, it's a new day and I'm in the bikini because I just washed the car. It is actually really late. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, probably 4:30. It's Saturday, so we have 1.5 more day, 2 more days until we leave, kind of. I think we're gonna leave around midday on Monday. I just washed the car and now I am gonna go over with this one in all of the places where there's rust. So I am gonna rust proof the outside, and that is the first time that I do that. I have a big bump in the back of the truck. I hope I can get it all off and it's gonna look amazing. I have some other small areas where I need to like grind the rust. Then I'm gonna take the rust eater, then I am gonna paint with the black oil-based coat that I got from my paint shop. And then I got a small piece of Mercedes white paint, Mercedes Sprinter white paint. So hopefully it's enough to cover all of these areas. As I said, it's Saturday, and yesterday we were at the registration and we passed, which was amazing. I was not that nervous, but you know, you're always nervous when you're gonna do stuff like this. But we passed. He said like it looked so nice, no problem at all. He didn't have anything to say. He was like, yeah, you've done good. So that was very nice. We were also at the electricity guy. We fixed the last electricity. We checked the water, which was very nice. So I'm very happy everything is working. And today in the morning I went to my brother's place. He's a carpenter, and we started working on the things around the windows. And now I am gonna rust proof. All of the kitchen cabinets are in. Alma are putting the locks for the kitchen drawers. And yes, I am painting these doors. So the plan is to cover them in fabric, in like cotton fabric, but it's a little bit see-through, this fabric, so I need to paint it white. And I was also thinking if I should paint this white or if I should keep it yellow, because the fabric is green and white. It's like a zebra pattern, but it's green and white. And I'm gonna put it all over here and then not here, of course. Maybe that's a thing to change further on and not now, 2 days before we leave. I'm gonna paint all of this white. So let's go. Hello guys. It's the night before we leave. We leave tomorrow. It's Sunday, 10th of August. We leave tomorrow in the afternoon. And I was thinking that it's time to do the tiles. So the things I have to do still is tiles, I need to put on the roof a thing that you can fasten the outside, like the camper tent on. I still need to paint the rust, and I should make the bed, the extra bed. That's important. So I still have a lot of things to do. We leave tomorrow in the afternoon. We also need to go and see some people, pick up some things, go to the station where you throw all of the things. So yes, it's a lot to do. This is the list. As you can see, I am done with almost everything. But yeah, it's 10:40 and I am gonna do the tiles. Okay, I think this is the finished result. I am happy with it. I think it looks very pretty. I am thinking if I should do some kind of frame. If not, this is not the prettiest. But I don't know. It's time to end for tonight. Or actually, I need to make the extra bed, so maybe I will try to make it. It will be a late night, but maybe it's worth it. It's time to leave. We finished the van yesterday, or almost finished the van yesterday. We still have a few things to do, but today is the day that we are leaving. Yay! It is 6:09 in the morning, and yes, we're about to drive 10 hours to Berlin. Yeah, let's go. And we loaded all of the cabinets, everything. I'm a little bit scared to drive because we have a lot of things in there, but yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. So, end of van build, actually, which is crazy. It's been taking a long time, and the last week, 2 weeks has been really intense. A lot has been going on, and I'm gonna give you a tour, of course, of the van, and you will see all of the last details and things that we did. It is time to leave. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.
Bye!